Pandemic boredom and March markets crashing have given rise to a brand new batch of active traders, perhaps as many as 10 million. And finding himself with a lot of money and a lot of time, Barstool Sports founder Dave Portnoy took to the Robinhood app and started a revolution. And now he's making his mark and pissing off Wall Street in the process, beating them with an army of millennial traders backing him up. Dave Portnoy joins us now. Dave, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So let's talk initially. I know you got in this. There was a lot of fanfare. You admitted that there were some growing pains. Explain, just sort of the process. You started doing some trades. What did you learn and the adjustments you quickly made?
So, yeah, when I got involved, I learned what shorting the market was. So I bet against Boeing a little bit. I bet against Lululemon, and I got my butt kicked. And then I realized that the stock market has no effect on the real world and vice versa, that it's its own universe, that the wise guys on Wall Street, the pinstripe suits, has the thing all rigged for their benefit. And once my brain adapted and was able to figure it out, quickly I realized stocks only go up. So we just keep betting on stocks to go up, and they keep going up. So since then, it's been a pretty easy game.
Yeah, I got to tell you, Dave, when this whole thing began, I came on TV a lot. I've been doing it 35 years, and I beg people not to take losses. And if you have the fortitude and the wherewithal, buy the dip. But a lot of people didn't have that. You have given a lot of folks confidence to get involved in this market. What about your impact on the trading that's happening now?
Well, yeah, I mean, basically, my firm, DDTG Global, we put our we planted our flag in the ground when airlines and cruises were basically at an all-time low. And, our philosophy, my philosophy was that people will fly in this country. We're social creatures, and that the airlines were not going out of business, that Spirit wasn't going away, Delta wasn't going away. And I believed that. And a lot of people believed it with me. So we got in on these airlines and cruises when they were super low. And Warren Buffett was telling everybody to run for the hills. We were running the opposite way. We were two ships passing in the night, and it's benefited us. So it's been a very good market for the last couple of months for all the people who have been investing. And sure, there are some down days, but overall, if you stick to the plan, which is stocks only go up, it's been a good, very, very good run.
The Einstein-Pythagorean theorem model. What is it?
Yes. Well, that's really simple. That, again, I keep repeating myself, but we have a couple of hard and fast rules here. Stocks only go up. That's rule one. And rule two, when in doubt, refer back to rule number one. Listen, we're in a worldwide pandemic. We have protests. If the stock markets are still going up, they're not attached. There's things that the Fed is printing money. The stocks are printing money. It's a great time to be involved in the stock market. Obviously, you got to invest what you have. I may have more money than most, but you got to be willing to lose it. That's rule one. The good news right now is if you've been following DDTG Global, you can have a month of red and you'll still be in the green because we've been firing on all cylinders for a while now.
Right. Hey, before I go, let you go, I got just a few seconds. Sports coming back soon. You're going to still be able to put the same amount of time and effort into this?
Yeah, hopefully sports are coming back. I mean, Fauci is trying to scare everybody again, but I think sports are coming back. And when they do, I will probably revert back to sports gambling. We have a new app coming from Penn, which should be great. So I won't have as much time to do in the stock market. But to be honest, it's not very different. They're both forms of gambling.
All right. And we'll always refer to rule number one. Dave, thanks a lot, my friend, and congratulations.
Thanks. Thank you. Take care.